What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Domino here. Warming up some spaghetti. Excuse me. Time countdown on the clock. On the microwave. Yep. I gotta clean this. I gotta clean that microwave. Who gives a damn what people say? You know? Yep. Eat me some spaghetti. And have a little Kerry's lemonade. This is half gone. I pour some in this jar here. Have some Miss Kerry's lemonade, natural lemonade, with some spaghetti. I almost forgot my fork. Okay? Eating spaghetti with Miss Kerry's natural lemonade. Yep, she got the half a gallon this time. Yeah. And you know what? This is August right now. It's August right now. Okay. To the August the 3rd. Okay. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have I think I think I'm gonna have Kerry's natural lemonade over here. You know, when I get my birthday party jump off. You know, cause I'm have a birthday party though. Okay. I wonder how much for all that. You know, couple of gallons. You know. Yeah. So wish I could get it, and she well. Nah, she ain't gonna give me no discount. I wish she would give me a discount. You know? Wait a minute. Let me show y'all this. I cooked this myself. So, about to drink me some lemonade. Yes, indeed. So refreshing. I ate Mr. B's donuts earlier today. If you if y'all watched that last one, I got irritation in the throat. I don't know why. I think I need to buy some halls and stuff like that. You know. Yep, that's all. I mean, this pandemic was almost over. You know, this pandemic was strictly almost over. Yes, indeed, y'all. Not in the mood for no politics and stuff like that. You know. Talk about the 2024 election 4 years from now. You know, no, 3 years from now. So I'll talk about it on my recording. And LeVar Burton hosting Jeopardy. That was a great idea. LeVar Burton was great. I'm about to enjoy the spaghetti and lemonade. I sure like to have some to my party. You know. I hope it don't cost me an arm and a leg. You know, I would hate for it to cost me an arm and a leg. You know. All right then. That's all I gotta say. Bye.